Greetings, groovy geographers, and welcome to week 3 of our Geography 100 physical geography class. This is almost the halfway, so we're 1/3 of the way done. Woohoo! It feels fast, it's because it is. So by now, most of you have taken exam one. We have a few folks with arrangements to take that today. So I'll have a separate video once exam one is all scored. That will take a while because I do have to watch a bazillion hours of proctorio footage. But now you know the format of exam one. It's the same for exam two. But the big thing for it for week 3 is we are going to be starting looking at the biosphere, which is my favorite sphere, because it's going to be where a lot of the environmental aspects start to connect. So you've got the base layer of what's happening in terms of solar energy, what's happening in terms of what's the winds doing, how's the air circulating, and now we're going to look at the things that we experience more explicitly as humans. So our weather phenomenons, some extreme weather events, hurricanes, tornadoes, then going into ecosystems. Your textbook doesn't go into ecosystems in detail, so I'm going to add some extra stuff for you. A few folks actually asked for more things in the survey at the beginning of class, so I'll have some extra stuff for you on ecosystems. Also, before I was a professor, I worked in agriculture. My background is in restoration and horticulture, so I will always happily talk about plants and ecosystems, even though it won't be on the exam. Um, and then animals and plants and kind of like where do we find different environments. The big assignment for this week is your topic proposal for your final project. So there are 3 exams in this class. They're non-cumulative and you drop your lowest. None of those are your final. Your final is separate. It's going to be a project about an environmental justice topic of your choice. There are separate videos for that. The assignments posted, the rubrics posted. The proposal is for us to make sure that we're all on the same page. You to make sure that that you're approaching the question the right way so I can give you feedback. If you've already submitted it, you've already gotten your feedback. The earlier you do it, the earlier I can get you feedback. And then also, yeah, so you can make sure that you're finding enough sources on it. Your scope isn't too big, it's not too small. And also to help you find group mates if you want. So you have the option of doing it in a group or independently, totally up to you. There's a message board if you want to post, hey, who wants to write about Flint, Michigan, or whatever it might be. So that's our big focus for this week. And then we'll have 2 selfie field trips coming up next week. I read the responses for the check-in survey. Thank you so much for your feedback. A lot of folks asking for me to start posting things early. I can't post things too early because it is 1 week for us is 3 weeks in a regular semester. And we still have to keep the class mostly in step with each other. So I can't open everything all at once. I actually would get in trouble for that. For that. But what I can do is I can start just at the beginning of the week, releasing everything for that week instead of staggering it. I can do that if people prefer. I know some folks like things all at once. Some people want staggered. It's kind of different learning styles, but it seems like more folks want things earlier. So I will start posting more things earlier. As always, drop me a line if you have any questions. Yeah, I'm around. Take care. Go Norway. I hope you're excited with the World Cup. My team just made it to round of 32, Norway, so I am biased. I could not find any good World Cup backgrounds that weren't overly FIFA because FIFA kind of is gross. But maybe I'll see some of you around town at some of the World Cup viewing parties. All right, that's all for now. Take care.